In this video, I'd like to give you my latest update regarding my Charles Schwab stock portfolio brokerage account. This is an account that I created in June of 2022, trying to build it to $100,000. First goal, though, was to get to $5,000. We reached that a month early. I wanted to reach that goal by the end of December 2022. And it's November 2022, so I'm a month ahead of schedule. So let's look further at my account and the rate of return for the week of November 14th through November 18th, 2022. So overall, I don't think it was too bad of a week. Yeah, I lost some money, but it wasn't devastating. We've had a nice little run these past couple of weeks here in November, so I can't get too greedy. You got to expect not every week is going to be profitable and increase the value of your account. And you can't always expect to earn money every single week in the market. So if you prepare yourself for that, if you're mentally prepared to some days you lose, some days you win, then, or some weeks you lose, some weeks you win, some months you lose, some months you win, so on and so forth, then I think psychologically you'll be really prepared to be a good investor. But this week I lost $58.77. Now I did contribute some money to the account. That's why you see this dotted line spiking like that. I added some funds to the account to get us over that magical number, at least magical for me, the first milestone I set for this account. So we got to $5,000, and the solid line is the value of the account. So as we see here, the beginning value as we started the week was $4,727.16. Like I was saying, I added some money to get, just so I can reach that goal of $5,000. So I added $375. The account, however, did lose $58.77. So that leaves us with the ending value of $5,043.39. But it's over the goal. Hopefully it could stay above the goal. I'm going to invest some more shares this upcoming week. And then, so hopefully it can keep growing. So just a reminder, the first goal was $5,000. Probably the second milestone is probably $25,000. Or I might need another. $10,000 sounds good. So that might be the next milestone. Keep setting those little goals, those milestones, and then those bigger ones add up. It's like that saying of, what's that saying? Save your pennies and the dollars will take care of themselves. Same sort of principle. So I'm very proud in 5 months or whatever it is, probably 4 or 5 months, I'm able to have $5,000 in this account. The more money you get, the more that compounding interest and the more it's going to work for you and build upon each other. So I'm excited. So $5,000 reached that goal. The overall goal was $10,000. Or excuse me, the $100,000. $10,000 would be the next milestone. But $100,000 is the ultimate goal. That's what I'm trying to do with this account. Trying to see if I can outperform the market and learn how to get good at investing and try to understand how to pick stocks, whether it's worth your time and effort to try to outperform the market, and is it worth your time to individually pick stocks. Now, let's look at the rate of return. The rate of return lost a little bit, not too bad, 1.24% this week. These lines here show you the other common indexes that I've kind of compare against. And almost every single week, for the most part, these lines match up pretty good. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, that's the purple line here, it's been pretty steady here lately. Early on, when I first opened this account in June, July of 2022, it seemed like it wasn't performing as well as the other ones. But here recently, it seems like it's been performing the best out of the other ones. And those other ones are the NASDAQ, that's in the green. The bluish gray is the S&P 500, which that one's the most volatile that I've seen since I've been investing. It's either really up or down quite a bit. And then the Russell 2000, it had some good weeks and a good month or so, but not so much this this week. If we look down here, you'll see that I've lost 1.24% rate of return. The Russell 2000 was the one that lost the most, or was down the most percentage at 1.70%. S&P 500, 0.61%. And the only one that was in the positive this week was the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And then the NASDAQ down 1.58%. So if I compare to the other common indexes, some of the most common indexes, my account didn't perform too bad. Only two others outperformed me, or I didn't, or didn't lose as much as I did. But I was better than a couple of the other ones. So I'm don't feel too bad about that one. So overall, it's a good week, I think. You just kind of stay in the game. Don't lose your shirt when you're playing in the market and investing in the market. I can handle 1% losses. I've handled 10, 12% losses, and I'm still almost positive over the lifetime of this account. And you'll see that at the end of each month. I give a monthly update and then how well it's done overall since the lifetime of this account. So it's been some good weeks. This was the first week in about 2 or 3 weeks, I think, that I'm in the red, in the negative. So I'm not going to complain about that. It all evens out, and then hopefully over time I come out ahead thanks to compound interest, making good, smart investing decisions and investing in pretty good, solid companies that can pay you over the long term. All right, so if you like this video, I appreciate it. Hit that like button. If you want all the latest videos on how to make money, save money, invest money so you can make money work for you, and therefore you can live life on your own terms. You can work because you want to, not because you have to. I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get all the latest videos from this channel. All right, all the best and take care.